Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to select the audience that views your posts on Mastodon. So first we're gonna start off by clicking on the middle icon in our bottom line or the third icon. I'm gonna go click on there, then we're gonna type something that's on our mind, like for example, we are the best channel. Exclamation point, and next we're gonna click on the last icon or the fifth icon, the icon that has the world emoji on it. I'm gonna click there, and here we can set our audience. For example, now it's set to public. You can set it to followers only by clicking on followers only. You can see, or you can set it to only people you mention. And as you can see, the icon changes. Now we're gonna click on it again and set it back to public. And now we're gonna publish it. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.